está bueno el café.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
Whoa! Am I seeing double? Somebody call Sarah Connor.
Well, isn't this cute? It's a Terminator convention.
It's great to have you here.
What's so strange about this, I don't quite understand.
Carl never told me about his past. And I just respected his privacy. He told me what he did to you. But I also know what he has become since then.
Good thing. Otherwise, I'd have to terminate you.
Get out.
Phillips, I just want to talk to you.
Don't listen to him.
Who is he?
How much do you know about what Wells was working on when he died?
I want to bring her in. Find out where she's been.
I don't think a doctor can explain what's happening.
You're gonna put a man inside a machine.
You have to assume Wells told her about this project. You don't know where she's been, who she's talked to. No idea what she's told you about whatever it is you're doing.
Want to show them how it's done?
You're coming with me.
Today's video sponsor is CyberGhost VPN. Macam TV viewers, you are in for a treat. This is what I personally call Netflix VIP access. Because CyberGhost VPN enables you to watch Netflix without restriction to any countries. Over 30 million users and it's super easy to use. CyberGhost VPN have apps for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Amazon Fire Stick, Linux, and more. And by buying one subscription, you can use it simultaneously for up to 7 devices. Macam TV viewers, you get to have a special price of $2.75 per month for 12 months. The special price is in the link in the description. And did I mention the 45 days money back guarantee? I personally love using VPN. For example, when I want to watch, it's not available. Thanks to CyberGhost, now I'm able to watch simply by one click. Alright, once again, the link is in the description. Until next time, see you guys in the flip side.